Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine. In today's video, we will be doing the concept of string matching. Now, what is string matching and why it is required and what are the applications of string matching? If if we basically take an example of your MS Word, if you are opening an MS Word document and you want to find, let's say, ABC. So what do? You basically write a control and you put F button and then you find ABC. So the text which is similar to ABC is found. So it means it is using some approach to basically find the text in the find the pattern in the text. The pattern is ABC. Same applies with string matching algorithm. So there are the many things which are there in string matching algorithm. There are many parts of string matching algorithm. So basic applications of string matching would be, best example is I take an example of Google search engine, right? Whatever you want to find, if you are writing cricket, CRIC, you will by default recognize that Google will give you the options for cricket. It is by default. So same applies that whatever text I am writing in the pattern, let's say if I'm writing a pattern CRI, so by default cricket options will be given to us. The best example of this string matching algorithm is also a plagiarism detector also. This is also one example. It means people who are doing research papers, and if they basically download and use other papers content, by default plagiarism softwares will detect that this type of article is used in this article. So it means you cannot directly use anybody's content directly. Then we have the concept, if we talk about the next particular part of the string matching algorithm. The string matching algorithm use would be your DNA matching. So if we want to match that a DNA of a person is belonging to which particular pattern, so there are generic sequences that are actually matched of whatever person is involved. So the DNA matching is one important fact. Then there are some, we can say, digital forensics. Digital forensics is means that if we basically want to find any text in a particular in a particular uh, paragraph, so we can easily find it. Why? Because if there are some investigations that which person is using this kind of handwriting. Let's say if any person who has committed a suicide, and that person is basically has written a suicide note, then we can easily find whether this handwriting belongs to suicide person or not. So this is something which is very common in nowadays, that again there are string matching and there are applications everywhere. So if I talk about string matching algorithms, there are three types of algorithms that we will be discussing. One is brute force, or it is also known as naive algorithm. Then we have next algorithm is Rabin-Karp algorithm. And then last not the least, we have the concept of KMP algorithm. So there are these three algorithms that we'll be discussing in all the upcoming videos. So we'll start with a brute force or naive string matching algorithm.